Welcome to Besto LMS, Fees Management Module, a smart and powerful way to simplify fee administration and empower management with better insights. To get started, head over to the Administration section and click on Fees Structure. Here, you'll land on the Fees Structure Management dashboard, the central place where all your fee operations come to life. To create a new fee structure, simply click on Add Fee Structure. Choose the class and academic year, and you're ready to go. Now, you have two options. Use the quick templates for a ready-made setup, or manually fill out the fee distribution. Want to make adjustments? For example, increasing or decreasing the sports fees. You can easily edit any amount as per your requirement. If your institution supports installments, just check the box and move to the Installment tab. Here, Besto LMS gives you complete flexibility. Generate equal installments with auto-calculate. Choose preset distributions like 50, 30, 20, or quarterly. Or create custom installments by naming them, entering amounts, and setting due dates. Once done, click Create, and your structure is ready. Next, let's generate payments. Select the academic year and class, then click Generate Preview. Here, you'll see a clear summary, number of students, total payment generated, and total collection. With one confirmation, I understand and want to proceed, your payments are generated smoothly. From here, the Overview dashboard gives you real-time insights. 1. Total expected fees. 2. Total collected. 3. Waivers and discounts. 4. Grade-wise and month-wise trends. Everything you need for instant decision-making, right at your fingertips. Want to dive deeper? Head to the Payments section. Here, you'll see every payment generated, its status, and individual student receipts. And for special cases, Besto LMS makes waivers management simple. Just click Apply Waiver. Select the student, academic year, waiver category, and type. Percentage or fixed amount. Add a reason. And done. You also get a complete waiver dashboard to track how much has been waived off, along with filters and detailed student records. When parents pay through offline methods like cash or check, they can upload receipts. You can approve or reject these right from the Receipt Management section. No more manual tracking. Finally, the real power, Fees Analytics. Here, management can view all critical metrics in one place, analyze patterns, and even export reports for strategic planning and decision-making. With Besto LMS, fee management is no longer just about collection. It's about clarity, transparency, and better financial control for your institution.